Phew.
Eek.
Ah. Huh? Whee! Huh? Flying tuna fish. Whoa!
Yes, kids, it's new Kablamo, the cereal that pops in your head, not in your hand.
My loving family. They'll feed me. Wow.
What? Do you take? Wanna go out? What? Wanna play ping pong? What is it? What do you mean, what? You're a lumberjack? That it? What?
Always remember to look both ways when crossing the street because you might get hit by a car. Gotcha, little fella. Well, hello there. Happy birthday to you.
We can fly, we can fly, we can fly, we can
Well, now it's probably a little too soon for... Jeepers, I can see my house from here.
Now, mittens.
I want you home in time for dinner. We're having your favorite, a six-course turkey dinner. Doesn't that sound yummy? Now go out and play nicey-nicey.
Gosh!
Gee, you sure seem to have a swell life. It must be neat to be so well-fed and loved by that old lady.
You think so, do you? Huh? Is that right? Huh? Hey, right this way, man. You go ahead, chow down, have some thinking. Take my place at the table. I've had plenty. Plenty, I tell you. Maybe too much. Yeah, I'm out of here. I got a bus to catch, man.
Well, golly, thanks, Mr. Mittens. Huh?
Oh, there you are, Mittens. That's enough playtime. It's time for my little boopsy-woopsy to have his din-din. Mittens? Mittens? Oh, why, you've lost your mittens, you naughty kitten, you. Now you shall have no pie. Ha! Just kidding. Of course you can have pie, but first we better wash up. There. We just have one more thing to do before you eat. First, we have to take our medicine. There, now those are easier to swallow than those old big pills. Oh, mustn't forget our eardrops. Now, I know you like this one least of all, but if you want to get better, we'll just have to get it over with quickly. Well, it certainly is a madhouse in here today. Well, you go ahead and dig in. Hello?
If you would like
Hello?
to make a call, please
Hello?
try again.
Hello?
If you'd like to make a
Hello? 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 Now I can hear you breathing. Who is this? No. Hello? 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 Yeah. Oh. Those crazy youngsters, so full of mischief. Well, Mittens, we may as well start eating. Oh, good heavens, it appears those pesky rabies have returned again. Well, we had better just bundle you right up and get you to the vet. You sit here, Mittens, where you'll be nice and safe.
Oh, where's he taking me?
Dang this old jalopy. Oh, it looks like my little Pookie has a fever.
You're perfect, my sweet. I've been looking for a beauty like you all my life.
Oh, I hear you growling back there, Mommy's little winky boy. Yeah, we're almost there. Hang tough.
Coffee's done, Jim.
Thanks, Ed. Phew.
Let's get 'em.
We better call for an airstrike.
And we'll need more coffee, Jim.
Blacker.
This is Eagle One. I've got the rapscallion in my sights. Mess with my buddy's chocolate frosting, will you, punk?
Jangled nerves, eh, Mommy's little monkey boy? Maybe some music will help. I'll never understand this rock and roll thing, which just sounds like noise to me, Mittens.
Kumbaya, that pilot in trouble!
Hot dog, get ya, hot dog. Cotton candy, satisfying cotton candy.
My, Mittens. You look worse than I thought. Oh, we'd better hurry. Now, where is that vet's office? Oh, this is the vet's office. Please come in. Oh, this must be the spot. Now, you stay here with the other kitties, and I'll go check in with the doctor. Now, where is that vet? Oh, doctor!
I'd be glad to.
Oh, maybe there's a doctor this way.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, this looks like the place.
Bugs!
Nope, no one in here. No sense in wasting electricity.
Huh? Hello? Get him off! 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 You. Hello.
Hey, buddy, relax. We got this thing here. It's called a parachute, and it's going to save our lives.
Gee, thanks for the ride, Mr. Dolphin, but I...
Ring bell for receptionist. Oh, now maybe I can get a little help around here. Ah! kind of blackout or something.
Meow. 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 Huh? Kumbaya, there she is. Under that piano. Look out!
Now, where is that vet?
Oh, where could she be? Lady? 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 Meow!
Hey, little fella, this is no place for a kitty. There's a nice old lady been looking all over for you.
Oh, there you are, Mittens. I was looking all over for you. Oh, my little pookie wookie. So how is my little monkey boy, Mittens?
Gee, lady, the little guy looks okay to me.
Oh, you hear that, Mittens? You're all better. Oh, come on. Let's get you home for that turkey dinner. Now, you just go ahead and start, Mittens. I just want to stuff this tuna with your favorite ice cream. Yeah, how's like pralines and cream? Oh, be a danger and get that, will you, Pookie Mookie dear?
Kumbaya, I wonder who that could be.
Hey there, how you doing, man? Great having you. Enjoy your din-din? I tell you, man, it's a jungle out there. Hush, man, hush! You really gotta appreciate what you have, man. Great seeing you. Bye-bye!
Well, my, Mittens, you must have been starving.
Cease. Maybe Mittens was right. Maybe I should be thankful for what I have. I mean, I have my own family and a nice home. Yeah, and besides, I got to meet a very nice and caring old lady, and hey! Kumbaya, it looks like my family really noticed I was gone. Wow, I guess they like me. They really, really like me. Yippee!
Huh? Yay!
Hey, Eek, man, where you going? I forgot to offer you an after-dinner mint. What an ingrate!
Don't.
You make a beautiful gesture, and these are the thanks you get.